This video was made possible thanks to gearbest. Dash cams have been around since the new decade, and they have become very popular and useful, especially in those awkward situations where you can't explain to the insurance company. There are some which are cheap but terrible, and there are ones which are incredible HD quality, but they cost about a tenth of a mortgage. Well, I have found the perfect dash cam, and best of all, it's worth €30. This is the 70 MAI Smart Dashcam. I received it from gearbest, where they asked me to try and review this product. It records in high definition, has a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and a companion app. At first, I was very impressed. The box it came in looked very stylish and professional, as well as the packaging and the camera itself. It's small and sleek, so it doesn't get in the way of the driver's view. It also comes with a cigarette lighter USB adapter thing and a very long USB cable to power the dashcam. Setting up the dashcam was as easy as plug and play. Once you turn on the dashcam, you're told to install the 70 MAI app, which is useful as it allows you to connect to your dashcam, take pictures, adjust settings and get a first person view of what your camera sees. You can also download what you record onto your phone, but I personally prefer just using the microSD card. What surprised me the most was what keeps the dashcam attached to the windscreen. After a few pulls I gave up, as it wasn't coming off anytime soon. So if I were you, make sure you find the spot before you place the dashcam. The quality of the dashcam itself is very good, as you can see very clearly. As it is in 1080p high definition, I really like how the videos look. I bet if I used an even better SD card, the videos would look even better. However, not every product is perfect. A microSD card is not included, and whenever it turns on, it says start recording. This is the dashcam's way of telling you that it has started recording, so it's a bit confusing, and it really should say recording started, but I understand that English is not 70 MAI's first language. I'm also pretty sure that you can't run the smart dashcam wirelessly, which isn't that much of an issue, as who runs the dashcam off wireless power anyway? Finally, on the app, you must connect to the dashcam via Wi-Fi, which can be annoying if you want to use normal Wi-Fi at the same time. I personally think that if this dashcam was Bluetooth, it would be much more convenient. Overall, I'm very impressed with the 70 MAI Smart Dashcam. It does the basic, very good, plus more. I love having this dashcam in my car, and I wish I had it sooner. So if I were you, I would head down to gearbest.com and pick one up now. Once again, I would like to say thank you to gearbest.com for sponsoring this video and giving me this awesome dashcam.